Namaskar, this is Dr. Naveen Dhingra and I'm with my colleague Dr. Ashok Kumar Khandel. Welcome to the Plant Tissue Culture Lab of Sage University. Here I am in the Plant Tissue Culture Lab and today I'm going to take you a very dynamic visit of the Plant Tissue Culture Lab where we grow the various plants with the help of tissue culture technology. So I request Dr. Ashok Kumar Khandel to take us visit to this Plant Tissue Culture Lab so that students will enjoy what we are doing.
Sure. This is a prepared media. Recently we have prepared this media. This is MS Vessel media, and this media applies for the growth of seeds basically, right? That is without plant growth regulators. So it is very important media for the initial stage basically. And this one is for GA3. It is also used. This media is also used for seeds. Basically, it breaks the dormancy of seeds, right? It's a generally acid treated media, and it is a wonderful media we can say. This media is basically utilized for the seeds who have basically dormancy period. The dormancy period is more than 1 or 2 years. So utilize this kind of media, and this is.
So this is the beautiful jelly what we are looking actually, but it's a gel which we are working on, and now we will see the transfer window from where the media has been transferred. Ashok sir will be going to tell us what the transfer media is all about.
Yeah, this is a transfer window. The technicians are working over here. They prepare and they will transfer all the media through this to the another section, that is inoculation room, and it is a UV based chamber. So media is going to be automatically sliced, and then that particular sliced media is transferred to the inoculation room.
So now the media comes from the transfer room to the laminar flow, and now we are going to inoculate the whole culture here, and then Ashok sir will be going to do all the exercise in the growth chamber. So let us ask to the Ashok sir and get us for the visit in the growth chamber, what exercising he is doing and what interesting he is going to do. Let us go to the growth chamber. Don't you think we are in such a beautiful plant tissue culture library over here? So here Dr. Ashok Kumar Khandel is going to tell me what he is going to do here and what he is doing in this spot. Dr. Ashok, please.
Yeah, basically this is the initiative consists of Ostimum Telefrarium, and initially we have initiated, and once it's going to be initiated, the second round is the second phase. This one, you can look this one. This is a microproliferation occurs, and we have supplied around 0.5 milligram per liter benzylaminopurin. So that is a cytokinin, and we can look how it is microproliferated, right? So further, these cultures can be utilized for the further synthetic seed formation, secondary metabolite production, hairy root cultures. So many things you can perform through this culture. So it is a well microproliferated cultures of Ocimum sanctum.
It means tulsi.
Yeah,
we are growing a tulsi.
Absolutely.
Only the tulsi we are growing here, or भी कोई ऐसे plants हैं जो आप यहाँ grow कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, apart from that we have developed the banana culture, and the second variety of we can say Ocimum also is there, and then Bacopa monera is there. Initially we are
Bacopa monera is Brahmi.
Yeah, Brahmi. So one of the chemical, that is bacocoside, can be isolated from this. So it is also an initial stage, and now we are going to transfer this to further multiplication media, and then we can also go for the secondary metabolite production, and even we can go for the biochemical studies also, right? So this is a wonderful culture you can see over
That's beautiful,
right?
So now this is what you call plant tissue culture. So if you want to enhance your research in the field of plant tissue culture, come and visit Institute of Biological Science, Sage University. We are waiting for all of you. So just come and visit Institute of Biological Science, Sage University for such enriched research in plant tissue culture lab. Thank you very much.